Today we stand here, the Southern Angami Youth Organization, along with all its unit bodies, stand here on that pursuing the ultimatum served to the government to our government, the council and authority, MOD, and then NHIDCL. Our grievances, our voice, our rights should be taken forward by our state government to the central government, the ministries. This road, we demand for two lane and an immediate restoration and renovation and upgradation of NH-2 Asian Highway, Kohima to Mau stretch, which is approx 26.7 kilometer. We have been appealing to the government, to the authority, the ministry, through our state government, 4 times, as far as we know. One on 17th February 2022, the second on 14th October 2023, then on 30th May 2024, and the fourth time, the recent 4th October 2024. We request, beseech the ministry for an immediate and urgent redressal of this stretch, the very stretch Kohima to Mau Road. I know that this road was initially proposed for 4 lane, but it has been descoped to 2 lane due to some technical reason. But later, to our surprise, it is not even to 2 lane, but it has been descoped again to strengthening and maintenance of the existing road. And now the condition of the road is worse than before. At this juncture, our road condition is not in a capacity to hold a heavy vehicle. So we, the Sayo, we have come up with a decision to restrict heavy vehicle bearing more than 3 axles tires. That means, in other words, more than 10 tires, dos chaka, voila, to restrict from entering and exit also. The grievances facing by the public, we experience new diseases, dust-related diseases. We see accidents taking place each new day. We see car broke down, where publics are suffered to pay extra additional expenditures in maintaining the vehicle. And our road, by this more heavy vehicle plying, it's damaging our road each moment the heavy vehicle entering our road. So we stand here to restrict the heavy vehicle from entering, so that at least we could save the remains. We could prevent from further damages. And also, we stand here for the welfare of the truckers, the drivers. We sometimes feel they have been forced to ply in this very dangerous area. We, as I told earlier, accident taking place here and there. So we feel for them also, and we take this action for the safety of all. Government didn't directly come to us, but we see some action taking place, but which is never up to our expectation, and we are not satisfied with it. So our demand now is to take immediate action, start repairing, renovating, upgrading the road with proper drainages. You know, this road, we call it as a historic road, the Second World War road, the the trade route to Impal. Now the aging bridges, which is more than 80 years, it's a high time to we are provided with new bridges, culvert, proper drainages. Our state has some years back celebrated our 50 years statehood also. It's high time the government come in and intervene and bring new infrastructures by renovating our bridges and roads. I can't say the exact number, but see, it's not only in this area, this stretch, now in Nagaland, not to blame anyone, but it sometimes seems like a competition going on among the districts, the areas, which areas or which districts falls are in the worst falls or are in the worst state of road condition, or like which area are having the most accidents of vehicle. So it's like this, I can say, this juncture, jokes apart, but within these 15 days, to our to our knowledge, we have seen more than 7 vehicle accident took place.
Despite the MORD and the NHIDCL being directly responsible for the maintenance and upgradation of the road, who are the other parties responsible for taking up necessary action in the road stretch? As it has been observed that recently there has been some patchwork going on, uh, especially near up to Kisama area.
Yeah, I see it is solely responsible. The solely responsible authority is MOD, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, and under him it's NHIDCL, and under that they award a contract to the contractors, and then we 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 see we have a department of uh, highway, national highway, road and bridge. I think these people, these our people voice for us, should voice for us and pressure and put forward our grievances, our voice, our rights. So in this, the question which you have just raised, it's solely responsible. As far as we know, this NHIDCL should be held responsible for it. We just some half an hour standing here, we see traffic jam taking place. Let's see how we manage, but see, we have a special permit for the truckers, more than 3 axle tires, who is going to Kisama because our state is in a very hurry state of for preparing this 25th Hornbill Festival. So we have a special permit for that. The other tractor we won't be allowing because we have already warned them and informed them in the social media, dailies, supporting by all of you here, and even we have submitted to these our administrations, the CM or the deputy CM, even the copy to the governor, DC, SP, and all. But the trucks which are will be coming from Manipur side, they will be coming mm, like empty, offload. So these trucks maybe we will be allowing them to ply in the meantime.